So, hello students. Now we are going to solve some questions from exercise 8.2, and part second of the question number 1 is evaluate the following. And now this part second is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Let's put all the values of this. If it is square, for see this tan square 45, actually it is the tan 45 degree whole square. That means we put the value of tan 45, it is coming 1, and this is square, so we put all the values like this. So here 2 tan 45 value 1 power square cos 30 value root 3 by 2, it's also power square, minus sin 60 value also root 3 by 2 square, cos 30 by root 3 by 2 and sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2 power 2. So 2 into 1 square, 1 into 1, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 2 times, this also root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Here 2 1 is 2 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 2 is 4, this minus root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4. So two options here, we can take LCM, otherwise directly 3 by 4 is coming a positive, it is negative, it is cancelled. So our answer is 2. It is the answer of the part second. Now see the solution of part 3. Cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. तो cos 45 value 1 by root 2 divides sec 30 cos का उल्टा sec, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cos इज sec, तो cos 30 वैल्यू root 3 by 2, its reciprocal 2 by root 3 for the sec. So sec 30 value is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30, cosec reciprocal of sin 30 1 by 2, इसका reciprocal 2 by 1, it is 2 by 1. So we will learn only values of sin, cos and tan. Automatically we can get. Sin cos को याद है तो इसका just reciprocal, sin का reciprocal cosec, cos reciprocal sec. So sec 30 value 2 by root 3, cosec 30 2 by 1. So how to solve this? We will take the LCM of root 3 by 1. We take LCM of root 3 and 1, we get here root 3. We write here 2 into root 3 divides root 3, we get 1, 3 1 is 3, plus it is 2 into 1 divides root 3, 1 3 is 3, that means it is root 3. Now 1 by root 2 by 2 1 is 2 plus it is 2 root 3 by here root 3. Then here 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 divided by this root 3 goes in the numerator and comes down this 2 plus 2 root 3 like this. If it is 1 by 2 by 3 by 4, so how to do? First we write this 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, reciprocal हो जाएगा 4 by 3 like this. So 1 by root 2 written here, into root 3 goes up and 2 plus root 3 comes in denominator. Now take LCM of these both, not LCM, it is multiplication. So we multiply here root 3 into 1 root 3, down is root 2 into 2, 2 root 2 plus root 2 into again this here 2, 3 2 is 6, simply multiplication. And here what do we do here? Take common, 2 यहाँ common मिलेगा, 2 is common, 2 is common, so we get here root 2 plus root 6. अब इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे? In the class 9 you studied about the RF, rationalized factor. So we write here root 3 by 2, here root 2 plus root 6 into, if it is positive for the rational factor it becomes minus. So in the numerator also here √2 इसी से डिवाइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इसी से डिवाइड करेंगे सेम नंबर. It is positive, but for the rationalized factor it comes negative. So let's multiply √3 into these two. In the square root 3 to the 6 minus in the root it is 3, it is 6. So 3 6 18 by it is 2, but this √2 plus √6 a plus b a minus b, √2 plus √6 into √2 minus √6 a plus b a minus b, formula becomes a square minus b square is the identity. So it is a, it is b, formula is a square minus b square. So a is √2 square minus b is √6. It is a, it is a, it is b √6 square. So we write here √2 square minus √6 square. If anywhere plus and minus coming same quantities, so we can use the identity a plus b minus b square minus b square. Now it is √6 and √18. We can factorize this 18. 2 9 18, 3 3 9 3 1 3. 2 into 3 into 3 by it is 2 into √2 square, 4 √2 square, √2 into √2 we get 2, √2 square is 2 minus √6 square minus 6. Now see once again, it is 2 outside this bracket, √2 square 2 minus √6 square 6. We can put this bracket. So here √6 minus, here 3 as pairs, we can take 3 square root of √3, 3 into 3 is 3, and it comes inside the square root by it is 2 into this 2 minus 6, it becomes minus 4. So next step it is √6 minus 3 √2 by 2 4 is 8 with negative sign, and this negative sign will put in the numerator. It is minus goes here, √6 minus 3 √2 divide by 8. माइनस का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ से, इट बिकम्स माइनस √6 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 3 √2 by 8. Now positive value comes at first 3 √2, this minus √6 divide by 8. It is the answer. This was the solution of part 3rd. Now see the solution of part 4 of question number 1. Sin 30 degree plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 degree by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 plus cot 45. So just we put the values. Sin 30 value 1 by 2, tan 45 value 1 minus cosec 60. cosec 60, cosec इसका उल्टा होता है साइन. साइन 60 इज √3 by 2, तो इसका उल्टा रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा, cos 60, दैट मीन्स 2 by √3. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन 60 इज cosec 60, 2 by √3 डिवाइड बाई sec 30. sec इसका उल्टा होता है cos रेसिप्रोकल. सो cos 30, वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 30 इज √3 by 2. cos का वैल्यू याद करेंगे, उसका उल्टा करेंगे रेसिप्रोकल, वी गेट sec. तो इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा sec 30, इसका उल्टा क्या हो जाएगा 2 by √3 रेसिप्रोकल. सो 2 by √3 sec 30 प्लस cos 60 1 by 2 प्लस cot 45 value is 1. Just we simplify and get answer. 1 may be written as 1 by 1. I am putting this line, and here we take LCM of 2 1 and √3. 2 1 √3 LCM is 2 √3, and we write here 1 into 2 divide this, 2 से इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे, this 2 root 3 divide by 2, 2 cancel, we get here root 3 plus here 1 into 1 divide this 1 से इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे तो सेम नंबर मिलेगा 2 रूट 3 माइनस इट इज़ 2 इंटू इस रूट 3 से इसमें डिवाइड करेंगे दिस डिवाइड बाई रूट 3, ये कैंसिल हो गया, मिला 2. जस्ट लाइक डाउन. यहाँ पर भी 1 रिटन एज 1 by 1. टेक आल्सो एलसीएम ऑफ root 3, 2 and 1. Also we get 2 root 3 LCM like this. Root 3, 2, 1 LCM. How to get root 3? 1 is root 3, it is 2, it is 1, again by 2, it 1 already, 2 1 is 2, like this. 2 into root 3, we can multiply 2 3 is 6 because it has root, it has no root, so 2 into root 3 we write here. So we put a 2 into root 3 divide this, root 3 इसको divide करेगा, root 3 cancel, we get this 2 here plus 1 into 2 divide this, 2 and 2 cancel, we get root 3 plus 1 into 1, this 1 divide this root 3, 1 divide this to root 3, we get 2 root 3. And we can cancel this 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. Next, what we get here? Root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 2 1 is 2 root 3 minus 2 2 is 4 by here 2 2 is 4 plus root 3, root 3 1 is root 3 plus 2 1 is 2 root 3, it is root 3 plus, check once again, 2 into 2 4, root 3 1 to root 3 plus 2 1 is 2 root 3. So here like root 3 means actually it is 1 root 3, add this plus 2 root 3, it becomes 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 by it is 4 plus this 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3, 3 root 3, and we now we rationalize this. It is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. So in the rationalize, what we do here? For rationalization, this plus becomes minus. तो ये हो जाएगा 4 minus 3 root 3 and also down 4 minus 3 root 3. रेशनल फैक्टर में पॉजिटिव का नेगेटिव होता है, नेगेटिव का पॉजिटिव, एंड सेम थिंग्स मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड रूल. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई दिस 3 root 3 multiplied by 4, 4 3 is 12, root 3 minus this here to there, 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, the 3 into 3 9 into root 3 into root 3 3. Now next this minus 4 into 4, 4 4 is 16, again minus into minus plus, this 4 3 is 12 root 3. See once again 3 root 3 से इसमें करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई, 4 3 is 12 root 3, फिर 3 root 6 इसमें करेंगे तो 3 into 3 9 and root 3 into root 3 3, again minus 4 into 4 minus 16 minus into minus plus 4 3 12 root 3 by here same formula, just we have used a plus b and it is a minus b, formula is a square minus b square. So it is a is 4 square and minus b is 3 root 3 square. This is equal to 12 root 12 plus 12, 12 root 3 12 root 3 like numbers, 12 plus 12 24 root 3 minus 9 3 is 27 minus 16 by 4 square 16 minus 3 root 3 square, 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 2 times multiply this, 3 root 3 square, 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 3 3 is 9 into root 3 into root 3, 3. So 9 3 is 27. It is coming 27. So now I will this इसको रब करना पड़ेगा. So now next 24 root 3 minus 27 minus 16, we get 43 by 16 minus 27, we get here minus 11. So now we write this minus in the numerator. So it becomes 24 root 3 minus 43 divided by 11 equal to minus से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये होगा माइनस 24 रूट 3, दिस माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 43 बाई 11 इक्वल टू फर्स्ट वी राइट पॉजिटिव वैल्यू प्लस 43 माइनस 24 रूट 3 divided by 11. So it is the required answer.